It's become a familiar sight, but one that's no less shocking each time we're sent to report on it. These pictures taken yesterday here at Torbay Hospital show long queues of ambulances outside the emergency departments. The problem is all caused by blockages in the system. Sometimes patients who are well enough to leave hospital can't get the care they need in the community, and then new patients coming in are forced to wait for beds, sometimes in the backs of ambulances. We've been speaking to a representative from the Unison Union, which represents ambulance workers.
Unfortunately, this is something that we're seeing on a daily basis, and there's a number of hospitals that seem worse than others. We mustn't forget every single one of those ambulances will have a patient on the back, and they are waiting to go into the front doors of the emergency department. Unfortunately, if people can't be released into the community from those acute hospitals, that inevitably blocks up those wards. That means there is no space. When our ambulances arrive, there's simply no capacity, and that is how we end up seeing those pictures like we did at Torbay Hospital yesterday, where there's over 20 ambulances, all with patients on the back of them.
Well, this is a problem which is affecting health trusts right across the region, and today several of them have issued renewed apologies. John Harrison, the Chief Operating Officer here at Torbay, said a high level of demand impacts our ability to admit patients in a timely way, as this has a knock-on effect on the flow of patients through our hospital. Our dedicated staff are working extremely hard to care for people who need our services. He added, we would like to offer our sincere apologies to anyone who experienced a long wait for treatment, and thank those who have been waiting for the kindness and understanding they're showing to our staff. Well, meanwhile, Derriford Hospital in Plymouth have also apologised for long waits in their emergency department, while South West Ambulance Trusts say their services have not yet returned to pre-pandemic levels, and they admitted sometimes it is taking their crews too long to get to patients. Sam Blackledge, ITV News at Torbay Hospital.